Welcome back to the HealthTech Explorers channel. Today we will talk about how IT companies can successfully enter the healthcare and pharmaceutical markets, what challenges to expect, how to build trust, and how to turn your technology into a long-term partnership opportunity. If your IT company is planning to enter the pharmaceutical or healthcare market, there are several key lessons that can make your journey much more effective. Despite the common perception that pharma and medicine are stubbornly conservative, the reality is that these sectors are still dynamic businesses driven by the need to reduce costs and streamline processes. Many innovative leaders and progressive companies in health are actively seeking IT solutions for their toughest challenges, even if initial reactions to your ideas are skeptical. Your technology has real potential if you can address an actual pain point in their workflow, cut through routine tasks, or unlock measurable efficiency. The sales cycle in healthcare and pharma is famously long, and many stakeholders are involved in decision-making, so negotiations may stretch out over months. But if you succeed in gaining traction and build trust, the rewards are clear. These markets value stability and reliability and are much more likely to become long-term partners. With the right approach, you can speed up the process and benefit from the ongoing, steady relationship that comes from being a trusted technology vendor. Understand that healthcare has its own unique ecosystem, regulated, complex, and loaded with compliance requirements. These barriers look intimidating at first, but they're not insurmountable. If you take the time to learn them and build necessary safeguards into your product from the very start, rather than patching together quick fixes post-launch, the path forward gets considerably easier. You don't have to be a doctor or pharmacist to succeed. What matters is leveraging your IT background, creative product ideas, and a strong grasp of business processes in healthcare. Sometimes trial and error or self-education will get you far, but working with a sector expert can save enormous time. A good industry consultant helps you see the real pain points, discard irrelevant features, spot the best entry points for your product, connect with the right people, and master the specialized terminology that surrounds every healthcare project. One of the biggest mistakes IT teams make is talking only about technology, how advanced their solution is, which frameworks they built it on, and the technical brilliance behind the scenes. In healthcare, buyers and investors want to hear about results. Speak directly to the benefits. What problem does your system actually solve? How much time or money will it save? How does it fit into clinicians' existing routines? And what direct impact will it have on their outcomes or workflow? The more clearly you can articulate these answers, the greater your chance of convincing budget holders and decision-makers to move forward. Remember, outcome-driven thinking is what truly motivates investment and adoption in pharma and medicine. Finally, leverage the latest industry trends. With more healthcare providers using personalization, automation, and AI to deliver tailored experiences for clinicians and patients, your success depends on integrating your solutions seamlessly with digital health journeys. Effective communication isn't just about complex tech. It's about making your product indispensable to the customer, supporting key touchpoints from electronic health records and telemedicine platforms to educational apps and pharmacy integrations. Those IT companies that build real ecosystems, adapting quickly to new regulations and clinical needs, don't just gain market entry. They build long-lasting credibility and growth in the fast-changing world of healthcare and pharma. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. See you next time.